Pretty
Well,
simple
honey
to make.
mustard is an easy thing to make too. It's Dijon mustard, honey, and mayonnaise.
Yeah.
And it is 100 times better than what you get in a bottle or at a restaurant. It is just the flavor, and it's not like it's just so fraction of the quantity in order to get twice the flavor.
Yeah, it's really good. I remember I made it.
And you can make it in like 12 seconds.
I remember I made it recently when we had like potato wedges or something.
Ranch dressing. This is something that's very easy to make and incredibly different from store-bought versus homemade in a good way.
It definitely has a very fresh, herby taste when you make it yourself. And even if you buy the packets, it's that's still really good. But when you're adding your own parsley, dill, etc.,
I mean, there is quite a number of items that is required. You do have to half a cup of mayonnaise, sour cream, buttermilk or regular milk, freshly chopped parsley, dill, chives, lemon juice, onion powder, garlic powder, salt to taste, freshly ground black pepper. So you can omit any of those, but that is really the basis of traditional, wonderful, homemade ranch dressing.
Yeah, I like a lot of dill in my ranch dressing, so making it yourself can be helpful for that. I guess you could just mix it in regular stuff.